In the 60s, the Beatles immortalized the song, "It's Been a Hard Day's Night." It sure felt like that across markets and probably multiple portfolios last night, with a near 5% intraday reversal for major equity indices. While it could have been the September jobs report, higher payrolls but higher unemployment, or fading hopes of a December rate cut that spooked the markets, or was it valuation nerves re-emerging? Assigning causality ex post is best left to newspapers. We look at the reality of price, and that price action is ugly. Yesterday, we talked about how the market has vacillated between AI euphoria and fear, and expected last night to be the former. But once again, are reminded of respecting price before everything. Our proprietary market signal turned cautious on 6 November and an outright short on 14th. For a brief period, yesterday it looked like reversing, but it remains defensive and bearish. On Q, defensive sectors outperformed, although in a broad-based sell-off, nothing was spared, not even gold and silver. Volatility is now at a 6-month high. The mood is clearly risk-off. We've often said that big moves start as small ones, and this one, 2 weeks in, with a 9% decline in Nasdaq, is already looking more than just a small one. Yet, it's not enough to say that this is the big reversal bears have been calling for, but caution is baked in. All of that said, and as we also noted yesterday, while the monetizability of data centers can be debated, the demand for infrastructure providers is likely to be a reality. Yes, once again, the picks and shovel sellers. This bubble is still inflating, we think. For investors, lower prices and higher volatility are an opportunity. For example, a simple structure on Nvidia can yield almost 14% with 1/3 downside protection. Quality, and yes, that will include big tech names with defensible moats, long duration treasuries, and defensive sectors, appear best positioned. It's been a hard day's night, but it's also the darkest before dawn. Good morning, this is Sunil Garg from Lighthouse Canton.